Hi guys, welcome to my new video. Today video is about the degree program which I recently done MS in RSN GIS. It is the abbreviation of Remote Sensing and Geographic Information System, or you can say Geographic Information Science. So in this video, I will tell you about those universities which are offering uh, degree MS or MPhil in this RSN GIS program in Punjab province, Pakistan. As I said, I have done from IST Islamabad, that stands for Institute of Space and Technology. You can see this, and it has also department uh, in Karachi, which is attached to the SPARCO, NARCG. uh, Basically a research center, which is also offering a degree program in the Karachi department of IST and also in the IST Islamabad campus. You can take admission in it. The faculty is very good. All the faculty members are basically have done their PhD program and postdocs from different universities from Europe like Holland, America, China, etc. And the learning environment there is very good. The lab environment, learning environment, the faculty, and the research skill at the university is very good. Here I can show you there are also different other universities uh, which are also offering program in this. One of the university is, as you can see, I highlighted is Agriculture University Rawalpindi. It has the institution named as Institute of Geoinformation and Earth Observation. They are also offering the program in MS in RS in GIS 2 years program. You can also take admission in it. And the other recognized university and a very good university is from NUST. NUST, they have the Department of Institute of Geographical Information Sciences. They are also offering a degree program of remote sensing and GIS research-based MS in their uh, university, and the faculty there is also very good. The other universities which are offering is University of Punjab. They have the Center for Geographic Information System (GIS). As you can see, I have highlighted this. They are also offering the program of MSRs in GIS thesis research based. Basically, which I have done, it consists of two semesters. Two semesters for basically there are three core courses they are offering, and there are five elective courses. So core courses are basically compulsory, and elective courses they are optional. And you have the options. They offer different course programs from the faculty members. Uh, the main core courses are which have they offer is advanced GIS, advanced remote sensing, and advanced research and methodology. And each course have a 3 credit hour. So you have to complete the coursework 24 credit hour. And the research consists of the 6 credit hour. And in IST, there is the basically a requirement for the acceptance of an article from your research, from your thesis, or you can say from your uh, research. So it is compulsory for the degree requirement, and the minimum requirement for the degree program is GPA having 3 or above 3. So it is a very good university. I have done from it. You can apply all of these universities which you like, and if you want to take admission and pursue your career or degree program in this field. Hope you like my video. Stay tuned for the next videos.